It's seen as an existential threat to Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, on the defensive after several U.S. states sued it for designing addictive features for children. Meta has also been accused of violating federal law by collecting data for under 13s without their parents' consent.
I think we're going to learn a lot more about what our kids have been exposed to online and the effect it's had, and what the folks in charge knew about the harm that was possibly occurring. There are potential for large damages here, and I think even more importantly, there could be what's called injunctive relief. And what injunctive relief essentially is where the court says to a party, you've got to change what you're doing.
The plaintiffs are demanding changes to Meta's apps as well as financial penalties as high as $200 billion, an amount equivalent to the company's annual revenues for 2025. Experts have described the case as social media's big tobacco moment, referring to the wave of litigation against cigarette companies in the 90s.
If you as a company know about a particular risk and the public does not know about that, and you continue to sell to the public without disclosing that information, then you could be held liable for that. So for example, right now in 2026, you can sell tobacco, you can sell alcohol, and that's totally fine because the public knows about the potential risks there.
Meta denies the accusations against it and says it will prove its long-standing commitment to young people in court. On Monday, the judge in the case handed the states an early victory after she dismissed the company's request to block a former employee and expert witness from testifying. The trial is due to last 6 weeks, with a verdict expected in early October.